Okay, welcome to Inception, Layers of the Cloud, Enter the Dream. In this dream, each layer represents a core AWS concept: agility, scale, and imagination made real. Your mission? Descend through 20 layers of knowledge, master the architecture, and awaken an AWS Cloud Practitioner. Let's get started. Question 1. Cobb tells Ariadne that in the cloud you pay only for what you imagine. What AWS benefit does this reflect? A. High availability. B. Pay as you go pricing. C. On prem expense. D. Fixed licensing. The correct answer is B. Pay as you go pricing. AWS uses a pay as you go model, so users only pay for what they consume, eliminating upfront hardware costs and improving flexibility. Question 2. When multiple dream layers continue, even if one collapses, AWS demonstrates A. Elasticity, B. Agility, C. High availability, D. Sustainability. And the correct answer is C. High availability. AWS uses multiple regions and availability zones to maintain uptime even if one zone fails, ensuring reliability. Question 3. Ariadne expands and contracts a city mid-dream as demand shifts. Which AWS principle mirrors this? A. Elasticity, B. Governance, C. Reliability, D. Agility. The correct answer is A. Elasticity. Elasticity allows AWS to automatically scale resources up or down based on changing workloads. Question 4. In AWS, Cobb's team launches new ideas instantly without constructing real cities. This is an example of A. Agility, B. Scalability, C. Sustainability, D. Reliability. The correct answer is A. Agility. Agility enables organizations to experiment, test, and deploy quickly without physical infrastructure delays. Question 5. AWS aggregates millions of users to lower cost. This is an example of what? A. Cost optimization, B. Economies of scale, C. Licensing flexibility, D. Performance efficiency. The correct answer is B. Economies of scale. Economies of scale let AWS reduce per unit cost by serving millions globally and passing savings to customers. Question 6. In Inception, chaos collapses the world. In AWS, the stabilizing framework is A. Cloud formation, B. Well-architected framework, C. Cloud adoption framework, D. Elastic beanstalk. The correct answer is B. Well-architected framework. The AWS well-architected framework ensures balanced, reliable design using 6 foundational pillars. Question 7. Protecting the dream from intruders parallels which pillar? A. Security, B. Reliability, C. Sustainability, D. Cost optimization. Correct answer is A, security. The security pillar protects systems through encryption, identity management, and compliance controls. Question 8. When systems recover automatically from failure, it shows A, performance efficiency, B, reliability, C, operational excellence, D, cost optimization. The correct answer is B, reliability. Reliability ensures workloads recover automatically from disruptions through redundancy and fault tolerance. Question 9. Limiting excess to keep stability aligns with A, sustainability, B, cost optimization, C, security, D, operational excellence. The correct answer is B, cost optimization. Cost optimization encourages using only the resources needed to achieve stability and to reduce waste. Question 10. Ariadne refines details mid-dream. In AWS, this is an example of A, operational excellence, B, elasticity, C, reliability, D, governance. The correct answer is A, operational excellence. Operational excellence involves monitoring, improving, and evolving systems for continuous value delivery. Question 11. Performing a lift and shift migration of a legacy app without design is an example of A, replatform, B, refactor, C, rehost, D, retire. The correct answer is C, rehost. Rehosting, lift and shift, moves workloads to AWS quickly with minimal change. Question 12. Making small optimizations while migrating resembles A, replatform, B, refactor, C, repurchase, D, retain. The correct answer is A, replatform. Replatforming involves making minor tweaks to improve performance or stability during migration. Question 13. Designing an entirely new cloud-native environment equals A, replatform, B, rehost, C, refactor, D, repurchase. The correct answer is C, refactor. Refactoring rebuilds applications to leverage automation, scalability, and AWS native services. Question 14. When AWS CAF keeps people, process, and technology aligned, this is an example of A, security audits, B, cloud adoption framework, C, migration hub, D, Snow family. The correct answer is B, cloud adoption framework. The cloud adoption framework, CAF, provides 6 perspectives to align teams and processes during migration. Question 15. Tracking every dream layer from one dashboard uses A, migration hub, B, cloud formation, C, config, D, cloud trail. And the correct answer is A, Migration Hub. AWS Migration Hub provides a unified dashboard to monitor progress across migrations. Question 16. Transferring massive data sets into AWS uses A, Direct Connect, B, Snow Family, C, Database Migration Service, D, Application Migration Service. And the correct answer is B, Snow Family. The Snow Family includes Snow Cone, Snowball, and Snowmobile, devices for secure, large-scale data transfer. Question 17. Keeping databases in sync with minimal downtime is A, Database Migration Service, B, Storage Gateway, C, Serverless Migration, D, Refactoring. The correct answer is A, Database Migration Service. AWS DMS allows continuous data replication between source and target with near zero downtime. Question 18. Building only what's needed so the dream stays stable shows A, right sizing, B, over provisioning, C, auto scaling, D, elastic load balancing. The correct answer is A, right sizing. Right sizing adjusts instant types and configurations to balance performance and cost. Question 19. CloudFormation, RDS, and DynamoDB working behind the scenes shows A, manual provisioning, B, managed services and automation, C, elastic scaling, D, security monitoring. The correct answer is B, managed services and automation. Managed services and automation reduce operational overhead while maintaining stability. Question 20. Cobb says the dream isn't real until it becomes architecture. He's echoing AWS's focus on A, building ideas into infrastructure through design principles, B, manual IT operations, C, hardware investment, D, network segmentation. The correct answer is A, building ideas into infrastructure through design principles. Domain 1 focuses on using cloud principles to turn vision into resilient, scalable architecture. Okay, you've reached the deepest layer. You've seen how AWS turns imagination into innovation, how design, migration, and economics shape the dream itself. But the lesson is clear. Architecture is reality. So wake up, architect. Your dream is now the cloud. See you next time.